Hey y'all, it's Kiya, and I'm coming back to you with another quick video. In my Instant Pot, I have it on saute mode. Although I don't have anything in it at the moment, what I'm doing is preheating so that it doesn't take as long for the pressure to go up once I get the food in there. Since I'm like preheating the pressure pot in a sense. So, to make black beans, I have a pound of black beans here, washed and sorted to make sure that there weren't any rocks or anything like that in it. And I also rinsed them. And I have 6 cups of water, and then I added my chicken bouillon cubes for chicken broth. Or if you don't want to use chicken broth, you can use plain water. I just use chicken broth or bouillon cubes for extra flavor. And then I chopped up 1 white onion. You can use yellow onion or whatever other onion you prefer to use. And then I have 3 small bay leaves. You could use 1 bay leaf, but I just used 3 because these are quite small. So I have 3 of those in there. I have a tablespoon of garlic and a tablespoon of cumin. I love to add cumin to my beans. It just does something to them, just adds that extra touch that I just love. Okay, so this is pretty hot, and it also reads hot. Again, I don't have anything in there. And I'm just gonna dump everything in the pressure cooker. I excuse the background noise. Everybody is home, so it's a little noisy in the background. Dumping in the onions. You can choose to saute these if you'd like. I'm not this time because I think they come out just fine with them just being pressured in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna sprinkle the cumin in there and the garlic. And then I'm gonna put the bay leaves in there. And then I'm adding the 6 cups of chicken broth. And you can always tell you have enough water when the water is about 1 inch above the beans. So this is actually perfect. And you can stir it up if you want to incorporate everything like I'm doing, like so. And let me put you down for a bit because I still have some bits of things in there that I want to put in the pot. So hold on 1 second. Okay, now that I scraped up everything into my pot, yes, I'm one of those. I want every bit of ingredient that it's supposed to have in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and put on the top, close the pressure, and I'm going to turn it off of saute mode to off. Since we're cooking beans, I'm going to hit the bean motion and I'm going to put it on for 25 minutes. 25 minutes, 25. Okay, once that sets, it'll cook. It'll probably take some time for it to come to pressure. It'll count down from 25, and I'm also going to do a natural release, meaning I'm not going to mess with this knob once the timer goes off. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to do the natural release for 20 minutes after this timer goes off, after it goes off from 25, and I'm going to let it sit for 25 minutes. That's natural release, and then I'll come and check on the beans. So I'll be back. It's reached pressure, so now it's going to start counting down from 25. See, now it's 24. Now it's going to start counting up to 20. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Natural pressure release. The knob is still up, so what I'll do is just go ahead and release it and open the lid. I'm scooting it out so the steam can go straight up instead of under my cabinet. not a lot. And knob it down. Open the lid away from you, all that steam comes up. And here are the beans. Ooh, sorry, all the steam. And here's my taste tester.
Really good.
Like it?
Lots of cumin.
Alright. Well, there it is, y'all.